In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Basecamp. Uploading files to Basecamp is a straightforward process that will help keep your team organized and ensure everyone has access to the documents they need. Let's dive right into the steps to accomplish this task with ease and efficiency. To start, open your designated project within Basecamp. Each project in Basecamp acts like a virtual workspace, holding all the relevant tools and information for specific tasks or initiatives you're working on. Once you've navigated to your project, focus your attention on the column that houses various sections. You are looking for the section labeled Docs and Files. This section serves as your project's central hub for all things document-related, where you can both store new files and access your existing ones. Once you are in the Docs and Files section, direct your gaze to the top left corner of the interface, where you'll find a green Plus New button. This button is your gateway to adding fresh content to your project. When you click this button, you are presented with a few options for what you'd like to add. For the purpose of uploading a file, select the option labeled Upload a File. However, there's also an alternative route. You can simply drag and drop your files directly onto the page if this is more convenient for you. After selecting Upload a File or using the drag and drop method, your next step is to choose the particular file or files you wish to add. This file will soon be accessible to everyone on your team, so make sure it's the correct one. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this upload might take just a moment, and once it completes, you'll see your file displayed within the Docs and Files section. At this point, you have some extra options to enhance the utility of the uploaded file. You can rename the file to something more descriptive or project-specific if necessary. This makes it easier for your team members to understand the file's contents at a glance without needing to open it. Additionally, there's a space to add notes. This feature allows you to provide context or highlight important points about the document, making collaboration more effective and transparent. Moreover, you can choose to notify your team members about the new file. This is particularly helpful if the document's content is crucial for upcoming meetings or deadlines, ensuring everyone stays informed and on the same page. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to uploading files to Basecamp. Implementing these steps will streamline your collaborative efforts and maximize your team's productivity. Feel free to use this process whenever you have new documents to share. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.